I've been spring cleaning and I'm just over it. Look at this big old bucket of stuff and this mop.
Oh my goodness, you have so many cleaning products in that bucket. Are you cleaning the entire house?
I am, and look, oh my goodness, I have spent all my money. I just have some change left. It's so expensive. I've got a headache from the fumes and I'm tired.
Oh my goodness, Shelly, I may have something that may be a good solution for you. I was just getting ready to put together some information about our green cleaning publication that we have with UT Extension. Have you ever seen this?
I haven't.
So there's lots of good recipes in here, how you can reduce toxic chemicals and save a lot of money just by things that you've probably got in your kitchen. And hey, why don't you just come along with me and you'll learn all about it today?
Well, I would love to. Let me get rid of this bucket. Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to Living Well with April and Shelly,
where we're raising kids, eating right, spending smart, and living well.
At the UT Extension office, there's a publication called Make Your Home Healthy, Keep It Clean with Green Cleaning. And it's wonderful because it's got lots of really easy recipes. You can make your own recipes at home. All the products that you see here on the table, and there's a few others. Things that you've probably got in your kitchen already, Shelly. Really, that's something that everybody's got in their kitchen, right? Everybody's got white vinegar. Almost everybody's got baking soda, cornstarch. Lemons, you know, the salt, this is a regular salt, not the iodized salt.
And that's a staple in everybody's pantry.
Right. Now, borax may be something that not everybody has, but you can easily find it in the laundry detergent at the store.
And you know, April, if you have little kids and you make slime a lot, you may have some on hand.
Oh my, I remember those days. We've also got olive oil. Believe it or not, that is part of, that's one of the ingredients today that we're going to demonstrate. And then we've got a little bottle of essential oil down here at the bottom of the table that you can use to add to some of the recipes to give it just a nice little smell to it. What are some other things that we'll need, Shelly? The sponge.
Yeah, we'll need some sponges and maybe a microfiber towel there. And of course, our cookbook for our green cleaning recipes, right?
That's right. So Shelly, I am getting ready to go to the kitchen and actually make some of the recipes in our green cleaning guidebook. Do you want to go join me?
I'd love to. I'm a little tired, but I think I've got time.
Well, this is going to save you time and money. So.
Oh, I'm very excited about that.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
So Shelly, the first thing that we're going to clean is a microwave oven.
Okay.
And we're going to use an all-purpose cleaner. And the only two ingredients that you need for this are borax and white vinegar.
Wow.
Just 2 tablespoons of borax and a 1/4 cup of vinegar and 2 cups of hot water. I like to use a spray bottle, just makes it really easy. So happy cleaning.
In the microwave then, okay.
Yeah, we're going to try to clean the microwave with our all-purpose cleaner.
So let's go. So we'll just spray it on. Oh, April, this is working great. And I'm not even having to scrub that much. So it can do the outside. Can I do the inside as well?
Absolutely. It's perfectly safe ingredients. What I might do here is I'll fast forward. There you go.
Great.
There you go. Real simple. Our next cleaner is going to be a bathroom cleaner that you can use on this type of sink. You can also do it on stainless steel. And it only requires 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 quart of water. And then you're going to mix that up and put it in a spray bottle. All right, Shelly, do you want to try the sink?
Sure. let's see how that goes. So I just spray it all over, right, April?
Correct.
Spray it all over. And oh, there's quite a bit of dirt right there too.
Now this works on stainless steel, chrome, fiberglass, ceramic, porcelain, or enamel.
Oh yeah, this is, look how shiny that's getting.
And just think how many people go out and buy a cleaner specifically for stainless steel or for fiberglass or for ceramic.
Yes.
And this can be used on all those different surfaces.
Wow, this is looking nice.
And Shelley, while you're finishing that up, everybody that's watching us today, you can find these recipes in the comments. We're going to put the link to the UT Extension publications where you can download these recipes.
Wow, April, look how sparkling the sink is. Ta-da!
Wow. All right, Shelley, the next thing that we're going to learn to make that's a green cleaner is our oven cleaner. And all it requires is 3/4 cup of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of non-iodized salt, and 1/4 cup of water. And then you just mix it up into a bowl and it makes like a little paste. So we're going to take that, and we happen to have an oven here. And Shelley, we're going to let you try this out and see how good it works.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a paste, right, April?
Yes.
So I just wipe it on.
And if it's a really badly...
It's got a lot of buildup, right?
Yes, filled up. You may need a steel wool.
Oh, this
I don't
is
think this
coming
one's
off
too bad.
good. No.
How's that working?
It's working good. It's definitely coming off. Oh yeah, that's making a big difference. Just a little bit more elbow grease, and I think Ripley could help me with this, and we'd be good to go.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Look at how nice that looks. I need something. I'll just let go of the paper towel or something. Look at how nice and clean.
Yeah, very nice. It did a really good job.
It did.
I just think, how much do oven cleaners cost at the store if you were to buy an oven cleaner?
Quite a bit.
At least $4?
At least.
Yeah. I bet this just costs pennies.
And I can only use it on the oven. You know, these ingredients I can use in all of these other recipes too.
Exactly.
You know, or if I'm, you know, baking something that needs some salt in it, I can just use the salt that I already have. So
I mean, you're just talking about 3/4 cup of baking soda and a 1/4 cup of non-iodized salt and water. You know, I'm guessing here maybe 25 cents. This costs you 25 cents to do this.
So, you know, you can use, we have a few things that are just really baked on, and we may need that additional scrubber. But all in all, April, this is amazing.
Yay!
Look at that.
All right, our next cleaner that we're going to demonstrate is furniture polish. And all you need is a lemon, a tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of water. And then you mix all that up. You do want to try, if you've got something to get the pulp and the seeds out, like a juicer, it's best if you can do that with your lemon when you're squeezing all of the lemon juice out. Just mix that up and you've got some furniture polish. So, Shelley, do you want to try that out on this table and see
I'd
how it
love to. Let's see.
And one note, this polish should be made fresh for each use.
Ooh, it smells so good. My table is going to smell delicious. That looks nice. That is making the table shine, April.
It sure needed it too.
It did, and it smells so good.
And again, that's something, everybody's got oil in their house, olive oil. Lemons are very inexpensive.
That smells great. And looks great too.
Yeah, it's kind of got a shine to it a little bit. All right, fantastic. Let's go on to our next project. All right, you probably guessed what we're going to clean next, and that's going to be some dirty glass here on our door. And our glass cleaner that we're making, real simple, just 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 quart of warm water. And you just mix those up, put them in a spray bottle. Now Shelly's going to demonstrate for us how we can get this window clean.
Look, April.
Wow. Crystal clear.
April, I had so much fun learning how to make these green cleaners. I mean, it's going to save me time, it's going to save me money, and I'm going to save a lot of energy because the kids can help me. These are safe products that I will feel very safe the kids using with me.
I'm so happy, Shelly. Yeah, they're super environmental friendly, and you are going to save so much money. A lot of these products are things people have in their homes.
Yeah.
Don't forget, we do have this green cleaning UT publication that you can download from the UT Extension website, and we're also going to put a link to it in the comments below. Tune in next month for another edition of Living Well with April and Shelly,
where we're raising kids, eating right, spending smart, and living well.